Let's be honest. Nobody enjoys spending hours manually tracking shipments, copying invoice data, and typing out customer emails. Welcome back to the channel Factorial. Today, we are diving into a game-changing solution, T-Force Freight Document and Invoice Automation, presented by RPA Unicorn. Our mission is simple, less manual, more magical. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this intelligent system completely takes over the heavy lifting by automatically retrieving real-time shipping details, instantly pre-populating and generating shipping labels with tracking IDs, and seamlessly sending email notifications straight to your clients so they always stay in the loop. Before we look at the solution, let's talk about the major bottlenecks that businesses face with this process. Traditionally, teams are stuck in a massive bottleneck of manual retrieval, where operators have to manually look up PRO numbers, navigate repetitive portal pages, and download invoices one by one. This manual data entry leads to human errors, messy folder organization, and zero centralized status tracking, meaning duplicate work happens all the time. To make matters worse, if a browser crashes or a single download fails, there's no granular retry mechanism or error visibility, forcing users to restart the entire cycle from scratch. Handling large document sets without a proper audit trail or real-time monitoring turns a standard workflow into an operational nightmare. Let's look at how we eliminate these exact pain points. That brings us to the exciting part, the exact solution we engineered to eliminate all of those headaches. The workflow kicks off with a dynamic input configuration where you simply provide an Excel file path and your login credentials. From there, the automation securely logs into the T-Force Freight portal entirely on its own. It reads your PRO numbers directly from the Excel sheet, using smart status-based logic to automatically skip completed items and target only the missing ones, making the execution completely resumable and duplicate-proof. As it processes each number, it automatically builds a standardized, dedicated folder structure with separate subfolders for invoices and shipping documents. Finally, it handles the heavy lifting of extraction, automatically grabbing billing invoices, navigating to the documents section, and seamlessly downloading everything from delivery receipts and bills of lading to shipping certificates. Everything is sorted flawlessly with zero manual intervention required. But we didn't stop at standard downloading. We built this automation to be incredibly resilient. If the portal experiences network instability or a UI interaction fails, the system triggers an intelligent retry mechanism with up to 3 automated attempts, capturing errors and resuming entirely on its own. Thanks to our granular document-level recovery logic, the bot tracks the exact document index during execution. If a specific file fails, it picks up precisely where it left off instead of restarting the entire PRO number from scratch, completely preventing duplicate downloads. For total peace of mind, the workflow maintains centralized logging by writing detailed text logs, capturing screenshots during failures, and storing timestamped error details for easy debugging and audit tracking. Finally, once everything is complete, the system automatically updates your Excel file with the new statuses, neatly saves your structured folders, invoices, and supporting documents, and gracefully closes out the browser session automatically. Now, let's take a look under the hood at the actual technical workflow and architecture that makes all of this possible. The process starts by taking your input parameters, like the Excel path and portal credentials, to launch the browser and handle the T-Force Freight login, immediately loading up the full list of PRO numbers. The bot then enters a loop to check if there are PRO numbers remaining to process. If it finds one, it checks its exact status for both invoices and documents. If the status is already marked as success, it cleanly skips that PRO number and moves to the next. But if it's not, the bot jumps into action by creating your structured folders and downloading the corresponding invoice and shipping files. If an error occurs anywhere during this download phase, our built-in resilience takes over. The bot captures a screenshot, writes detailed error logs, and checks the retry counter. As long as the retry count is under 3, it increments the counter and seamlessly resumes right from the failed step. And if it ultimately completes or runs out of retries, it updates the Excel status before looping back to check the remaining records until everything is finished, the workbook is saved, and the browser gracefully closes. And to wrap things up, let's look at the incredible results and benefits this automation delivers. By moving from manual operations to a fully unattended end-to-end system, businesses experience vastly faster invoice and document retrieval with zero manual intervention needed from login to browser termination. The system brings absolute order to your data with a standardized folder structure for seamless traceability, while its intelligent status-based processing eliminates duplicate downloads and allows for highly efficient reruns. Because of our robust retry mechanics and granular document-level recovery, network instability won't slow you down, and centralized logging ensures total audit visibility with automatic screenshot captures during failures. Ultimately, this solution completely eliminates human error, significantly reduces operational effort, and unlocks highly scalable, high-volume batch processing with continuous Excel status updates, so you always have perfect visibility into your workflow. Thank you so much for watching Factorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful and want to see more intelligent automation solutions that save your business time and eliminate manual headaches, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're ready to transform your own operations and take the manual effort out of your logistics workflows, feel free to reach out directly to the team at connect@rpaunicorn.com. Thank you from all of us here at RPA Unicorn, and we will see you in the next video.